Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should open the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap on this item, and as can you see, here we just logged into two accounts at the same time. So now I'll show you how to remove or log out from this account. Now just to do that, you have go to the manage accounts on this device section, and here tap to the Google section, and as can you see, we got here these two accounts, and just for example to log out from the second one, just tap there and tap to the more icon, and you'll have just tap to the remove account and confirm just to tap to remove account again. And as can you see, we just stay only with one account, and now we'll just check this in the application. Yeah, as can you see, we just stay only with one account and we just log out from the second one. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.